us just see how to import a CSV file, and we'll also look at how to import an Excel file, into Python, okay, into a Python notebook. Okay, so let's go. So here on my screen, I believe you can see my screen. I've got my Anaconda Jupyter notebook open, as you can see, and I have some files on my desktop. So if I close that, on my desktop, I have a CSV file and I have an Excel file, which I would be using to demonstrate this, okay? So let's start with the CSV file. So let's import pandas, okay? Let's say let's just say import pandas, and let's run that. So if we run import pandas, the next thing we want to do is to use the read CSV function. So if we say pandas dot read underscore CSV, okay? So what you need to do, the next thing we need to do is go to, so this is the file I want to import. So if I double click on that, I go down to copy as path. So I'm going to copy the directory or the path. Okay, so this is the path or the directory of this file. And one thing we need to do, for this to work is to just double these backslashes. So these backslashes, we just need to double all of them, double all the backslashes. And if we run that, we can see that table, okay? So this is a table that contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So ID, employer, employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee job role, and then the manager ID, okay, the ID of the manager of the employee. So Chidera is an employee and she earns 10,000 units of whatever currency, let's say $10,000, and she's the CEO of this company. So Chidera is CEO of this company. And because she's the topmost employee, she doesn't have a manager above her, so that's a null. And then Eze is also an employee, and Eze earns $1,400, and Eze is a junior developer, and this is the manager ID, okay? So manager ID of 5 means, it then means that Uche is the manager, to Eze. So this is how we've successfully imported a CSV file using the read CSV function, okay, of pandas, okay, or module. You can call it a module, within pandas. So we've used the read CSV module, and we've just put the file directory. Okay, we've put the file directory of the CSV file that we are importing. Now, if we want to import an Excel file instead, let's say the file is formatted as an Excel, it's very similar. So let's do that. So what we need to do is, we've already imported pandas. So pandas.read underscore Excel, okay? And then next thing we need to do is go to, I think this is an Excel, this is the Excel one. So if we right click on that and go to copy as path, and then go back there and paste it in. And just as we did for the CSV, we need to double all our backslashes, okay? All the backslashes, we need to double that. And then if you run that, it shows all the table, okay? So it's the same table. And you can see this one, this particular one saved as Excel is showing an index. So the CSV file, obviously, we can see the index column, starting from index 0, which is 1 is index 0. Then you can see a duplication of that index in these. Not sure why that happened, but you can see it's duplicated and it's called unnamed. Yeah, but this is an Excel file. So we've used the read Excel function within the pandas library, okay, to import an Excel file. And just very similarly, we use the read CSV function or module within the pandas library, okay, to import a CSV file. In our next video, we'll demonstrate how we can actually save. Let's assume we alter this table. Let's assume we add some rows, or want to save this table as a CSV file, or as, let's say we've had this table, I want to save it as a CSV file, I want to save it as an Excel file. to a particular path directory. We'll also demonstrate how that can be done. So watch out for the next video where we'll be demonstrating how to save a file as either CSV or Excel format to a specific file directory. Okay. So if you think this particular video has helped you and you think it's relevant, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you're already not a subscriber, and then hit the notification button so you'll be notified when I release subsequent videos. Thank you very much.